Hello, teacher. How are you? My name is Pedro Javier Guerrero. I'm a student Bachelor of English as a foreign language. And today I want to ask you some question about the first activity from the course Experience English 1. How are you, teacher? Okay. Thank you. Great. Okay, teacher, I have for you three questions about your job, about your experience as a English teacher. The first question is, what did you decide to become an English teacher? Okay. Ah, okay. Okay. Why? Okay. Great. Great, teacher. Okay, teacher. The second question is, what do you do to keep the motivation in your class? Yes. Okay. Yes. I have to say that because I think it's different when you are teaching to young children compared with the teenagers. In fact, my final question is about that. Okay, teacher, I'm going to ask you the final question. This question is what? Okay. What do you think is the best way to teach English to young children? Okay. 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 That is the last question, but I want to ask another question. What do you prefer, teenagers or young children? Okay. Uh, yes. Yes, you are right. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, Tiki, thank you for your time. It was great to speak with you, and I hope you in another activity. Have a good night and take care.